Hello guys, I am quite happy today since I've got a new chiropractic table and I've got a new chiropractic gun also. As you must all be aware, this is an extremely useful tool for modified chiropractic and osteopathy techniques. Doesn't causes any trauma, the patient is not scared, and it is really helpful. No doubt, this is helping me a lot in my practice. Just to make you hear some sound of the gun. Let's talk about the chiropractic bed now. The best thing which I like this, though I had been using the drops earlier, but it was causing lots and lots of time wastage. I had to keep the drop, then I would take the drop back, then I'll ask the patient to get down, then I'll put the other drop. I think this chiropractic table is going to save lots of my time. And the best thing is, it's quite easy also. The thrust is very effective, and this is for the foot one now, and this is for the neck, and the thrust is very it's more what shall I say, it's more coordinated thrust, or it's more it's not with a jerk, it's a very coordinated thrust, it's a very smooth jerk, I can say. And next thing which I like most about this table is it's a chiropractic table also, and it has a high-low ending. I can adjust the bed high and low. I can move the bed up with this foot switch which I've got. I can take the bed down. So I think this will save me lots of time. Next one thing, I need not bend much. Otherwise, with the hand switch, I always, had to bend down, which was causing a strain in my neck. Though I was charging from the patient, but creating the pain for myself was not an idea. I had to keep myself safe. I think this will work wonders now. And hope you guys like the video also. Thank you very much for watching.